SushiSwap, the popular DeFi project led by anonymous dev Chef Nomi, has dumped all of his sushi tokens for Ethereum on September 5th. And yes, he's a piece of shit. But we need to take a closer look at CZ, Binance's CEO's negligence, his deleted tweet, his FOMO-like decisions, and his impulsive actions that may have contributed to many people getting burnt and wrecked. Coming up now. It's the crypto lifestyle, baby! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Francis, and on this channel, we emphasize the importance of crypto mass adoption, decentralization, and other Bitcoin related stuff that could bank us coin. So if you want to learn more, do that by subscribing and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. On August 13th, CZ tweeted, Binance Smart Chain will unlock the DeFi level for BNB. On that date, about almost a month ago, I forwarded this to the guys in my Telegram chat, and my reaction to that was this: CZ is FOMOing, LOL, LOL, Uniswap is stealing his thunder. Clearly, CZ is losing his grip with the rise of Uniswap and DeFi projects, so in order for him to remain relevant, he must list DeFi projects to maintain control of the market share in which Binance has been the dominant force for roughly the past 3 years. 5 days later, CZ announces he would be listing the ever so popular DOT or Polkadot. As we all know, everyone is talking about DOT, and if it's not listed on Binance, guess what? Folks will flock to alternate exchanges to get their Polkadots. So obviously, as a business owner, you must follow the money and cater for what the market wants. I get it. The very next day on August 19th, CZ again announces that he will be partnering with Band Protocol to bring customizable oracles to Binance Chain. He continues to associate himself within the DeFi space to remain relevant, and there are other protocols he set in place to once again associate himself and remain relevant in this fast-paced crypto industry by announcing Binance launches DeFi staking, stake DAI on Binance with annualized earnings of up to 12%, and other listings included Kusama, which is part of the Polkadot's ecosystem. But let's fast forward to where CZ's negligence really comes into play on September 1st. CZ made the announcement that FYII, also known as Sushi or SushiSwap, will be listed on Binance. As we can see here, on the chart, Sushi spikes up from $3.26 all the way up to $11.17, making an instant 4.7x in gains in less than 24 hours due to Binance's announcement. As we all know, any token going to Binance is legit, right? Because come on man, it's Binance, bro. And Binance has a screening process and an auditing protocol set in place before they list and support tokens or projects on their exchange, correct? Well, so we thought. I mean, how do you go from the likes of Polkadot, Band Protocol, Kusama, and DAI to freaking SushiSwap? Well, one can argue businesses thrive to make money and to stay profitable. Band and Kusama has a combined 24-hour trading volume of 398,794,000 plus 260,970,000 plus 54,418,000, which equates to over $714 million in trading volume combined. Like the kids say today, that's hella amount of trading volume and trading fees to accumulate. And guess what? Sushi has that amount of trading volume all on its own. Money to be made if I were an exchange owner, that's for sure. As we can see here, Sushi's 24-hour trading volume is $711 million, almost mirroring Polkadot's, Kusama's, and Band Protocol's trading volume combined. So as an exchange owner, if I don't have those tokens listed on my exchange, I'm missing out on some serious money in trading fees. Well, here's where all hell really breaks loose and shows how CZ's FOMOing led to negligence. On or about September 5th, rumors started circulating in the crypto space that Chef Nomi, SushiSwap's lead developer, dumped 2.5 million sushi tokens, which is worth over 20,000 Ethereums or $10 million US, which was taken out of the developer fund for personal gain, making this dude an instant multi-millionaire by just simply copying Uniswap's code. Now, I mean, is this a full-fledged exit scam? Well, not entirely, because Chef Nomi is still pretty active on Twitter, saying things like, the fact that I sold some sushi dev share does not make sushi more scam or less scam. The fact is on the code. I'm not sure why everyone thinks I'm a scammer now. I did not steal anyone's money. DevShare has been stated very clearly since the original blog post. Essentially, what he's saying is this: you did not read the fine print. But the real question we must ask is, would this fiasco truly have been made possible without the listing of Binance that gave Sushi immense credibility and access to a much larger scale of traders, hence popping the price and popularity of the token? Well, in the aftermath, according to ICO Drop's announcement Telegram channel, here's what CZ had to say in a tweet that appears to be deleted. For Sushi, I don't know who the founder is. If we don't list new DeFi coins, traffic goes to other exchanges and we become obsolete. We provide access to liquidity. We don't force you to buy all coins or high risk, especially DeFi. Wow, what is this guy, like a YouTuber now? DYOR? Well, I think it's his point of duty to do his own damn research as a multi-billion-dollar company, not knowing who the founder is, but yet listing it on his exchange just because it has massive trading volume. I mean, there are solid projects out there that has to wait months, if not years, to be listed on Binance, where we know who the founder is, they've gone through the screening process and the auditing process, protocols, etc., etc. Again, he just pretty much admitted in that tweet that they are listing DeFi tokens only because if they don't, they will not be the front runners when it comes to crypto exchanges, period. Money, 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 money. Sadly, money makes the world go round. So let's get this straight. They bypass and ignore the normal security protocols that's normally put in place when listing a token on their exchange just because he's in fear of becoming obsolete. Now that's what I call FOMOing and negligence at its best, ladies and gentlemen. There's no other reason for me to believe that he was just chasing the money in regards to trading fees. Sushi was one of the most traded DeFi projects at the time, and when you start to feel that you're losing your pizzazz or your grip on the markets as the top exchange, you make impulsive FOMO-like decisions, and this is a key and prime example of that. But hey, it's not the end-all be-all for Sushi, at least so it appears. The project will be transferred over to FTX's derivatives exchange CEO, and since that announcement has been made public, the price has somewhat rebounded. But you know what, guys? It's not what I think. I would love to know your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about this fiasco in the comment section below. So you know what? There really isn't much left to say other than, till the next video, you're on your own. Later. Stay safe out there.